Hi, it's Language Learning Life again, and this time I'm going to be talking about translation, or in fact a translation, which appears in my most recent book of poetry called Rosen-Innere, and the book title is taken from the translation of the poem by Rilke, Rainer Maria Rilke, which is called in German Das Rosen-Innere. And this little book I have here of his poems was given to me as a gift by John the first time we went together to Germany quite a few years ago now. So in my foreign accent, I will read Rilke's poem and then my translation, which is not by any means definitive any more than any translation can be by definition. It's interesting to try to get close to a poem in translation, but it's also interesting to try and get further away from. And if you could get absolutely close, perfectly close, it wouldn't be a translation, it would be the original poem. So it's kind of an impossible thing to attain. So the more versions, the better, as far as I'm concerned. Some people have said maybe there are too many Rilke translations. I don't think you can ever have too many if people are doing something with them. Das Rosen-Innere. Wo ist zu diesem Innen ein Außen? Auf welches Weh legt man solches Linnen? Welche Himmel spiegeln sich drinnen in dem Binnensee dieser offenen Rosen, dieser sorglosen See, wie sie lose im Losen liegen, als könnte nie eine zitternde Hand sie verschütten. Sie können sich selber kaum halten. Viele ließen sich überfüllen und fließen über von Innenraum in die Tage, die immer voller und voller sich schließen, bis der ganze Sommer ein Zimmer wird, ein Zimmer in einem Traum. And now I'll read my English version, which, as I say, is one among many and takes liberties as a translation must. But what I really love, there are many things I love in the original, but the music of it is really something special, and I have tried to retain a little bit of that music. So it looks like this on the page, just a short little poem. And it can't retain exactly the kind of rhyme that there is in the German, but it can keep some of the sound, I suppose. I've tried to where I could. And rather than calling it the rose interior or the inside of the rose, I've just called it rose interior. Where is there for this inside and outside? On what kind of ache do we lay such linen? What heavens reflected in this, in the inland lake of these open roses, so insouciant, see how at liberty and loose they are, as if no trembling hand could ever spill them. They can hardly contain themselves. Many of them are gorged and overflow from their interior into the days that ever more fully close over, till the whole summer becomes a room within a dream.